What's up guys, Alec here with Veed, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create automatic subtitles for your Premiere Pro and After Effects clips. Okay, so right now let me show you I am in Premiere Pro and I want to post this video to Instagram. I've created this post specifically for Instagram, right? And I want to add subtitles to the bottom. I've left a little blank section right here at the bottom, or a blank space, so we can put some subtitles right there. Now there's a couple of ways we can actually go about doing this. The first one that a lot of people do is actually just copying and pasting the text. So basically I would just take this, place it at the bottom of the screen and just hear what I have to say. Okay, so this is a test video. So the first sentence I say is, okay, so this is a test video. So first of all, I'm going to select this and I'm going to turn the size down to, let's say, 50. And basically what you just have to do is be like, okay, so this is a test video. Right, so that's the first sentence I have. And I would just need to make sure that I end it where the subtitle stops. Okay, so this is a test video. Alright, so I'd end it right here. But the thing is this takes a lot of time to have to copy and paste every single time, type out the text manually. The other way you can do it, right, is by adding captions. So if I just go down into new item in the project window and I select captions. And then here I have the chance to add open captions. And I want to choose open captions due to the fact that I want them to always be visible on screen. This is what I'm going for, right, for Instagram. So if I click OK, then I have my open captions and I need to click and drag them into Premiere Pro. Now again, the problem here is that these take a lot of time and you have to manually do every sentence by sentence. So if I double click on my captions, I have each caption here, right? And the first sentence I say is, okay, so this is a test video. So I'd have it like this, and then I need to just make sure that I end it at the correct time. So if I listen back to it. Okay, so this is a test video. So as we can see, I finish at 108. So here, I just want to make sure that it's 108, or I could just reduce this to roughly where it is there, 110, that will do. So now if I play it back. Okay, so this is a test video, and then again, I'd have to add another caption for me to be able to add. But again, this takes a lot of time. So what I'm going to show you how to do is automate the transcription of the audio in your video into text and create them into subtitles, which are placed at the right moments throughout your video. So basically what you're going to want to do once you have your video finished and ready in your final project, you just want to click on file and then you want to export it. Obviously just export it as a video as if you normally would. So once I've exported it, we're going to go to a tool called Veed, which is an online tool. So we're just going to go to Google and you type in Veed, V-E-E-D. Then we're going to click on the first link, and it's an online video editor, and this online video editor is going to allow us to automatically transcribe the audio from our video into text. So we create a new project and then we're going to click on the upload button, and right here we're just going to go and find the video that we want to upload, so the video that we just exported from Premiere Pro or After Effects. And this video, we're going to wait for it to upload. If we take a look in the top right, there's a little loading bar. This is the upload progress bar. And once this is finished, as soon as this is finished, the auto-subtitle tool is then going to become available. So I'm just going to click on this auto-subtitle tool. I've clicked on this tool and I'm going to select the language that I'm talking in. In this video, I'm speaking in English. So obviously we're going to choose English. You have a bunch of languages to choose from, but I'm just going to click on the start button for English. And then Veed's going to take anywhere between a few seconds to a few minutes to automatically transcribe the audio from your video into subtitles. So as we can see, it is just finished. If I take a look on the screen and play it back for you. Okay, so this is a test video, and let's just say this is a podcast, and okay, so this is exactly what I say. If we take a look, it says, okay, so this is a test video, and let's just say this is a podcast. Now, this has done it automatically for me within seconds. I don't need to manually write it out through Premiere Pro. And don't you worry, you can style it. So I can just click on it, click and drag, and I'm going to place this in the little area that I specifically left for my subtitles. So I edited in Premiere Pro with this in mind. Now you can style it, you can change the font colors, you can change the actual font, you can change the font size, you can change the layout of it. You can do pretty much everything that you can do within Premiere Pro when it comes to the subtitles and the captions. If you do want to make a couple of changes to the text, you can do so very easily by going into Veed Subtitle Editor, and you go into each one, and then you can quickly just remove a bunch of text. If you want to, you can type a bunch of extra text in. So there you go, test, test, test. And once you have finished and you're happy with your subtitles, you can just click on the download button, and then Veed is going to start rendering your video with the subtitles baked into it. So this is basically an external plugin for subtitles. If you want a native plugin within Premiere Pro and After Effects, do let us know in the comment section down below, because here at the Veed team, we'd be very interested in building that for you if that's something you are looking for. That being said, hopefully this workaround is still very useful to you, and we're looking forward to hearing your feedback. If you do have any questions, also let us know in the comment section down below. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.